The following message is transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department. A small bomb has been detonated in the Boston Capitol building, causing massive destruction, and causing the building to be on fire. All emergency services in Boston and Suffolk County, Massachusetts have been called in to try to stop this situation. All residents in a 500-mile radius of the Capitol building must remain indoors until further notice. If possible, evacuate to a safe area outside the radius. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.